There are 3 things that you need to know before coming to the Kentucky Welding Institute that might make or break you. The first thing is an attitude. Before you come into the Kentucky Welding Institute to weld or for your shift, you need to make sure that your attitude is on point. Leave any problem or any bad things that you have going on in your life at your truck, because if you bring those into the shop, you're not going to be able to fully focus on what the instructors are trying to tell you. So having a good attitude when coming to the Kentucky Welding Institute is going to help you out so much. The second thing that you really need to hone down on before you come to the Kentucky Welding Institute is consistency. Being able to be consistent in whatever you're doing, because when you attend the Kentucky Welding Institute, you're going to have to do the same thing every day for 6 months. And that's going to prepare you to go out into the real world and make those welds wherever they need you to make those. So being consistent and following through with what you're doing and starting out at. Also, along with consistency, being able to have a certain quality of weld and be able to perform that and perfect it over and over and over. So 6 months long here at the Kentucky Welding Institute, and it's all about consistency. That's one of the main things. Being able to do it over and over and over again, and then you'll get to a rhythm and it'll be with you all the time so that you won't forget what you're doing, or it'll make sense and you'll just be able to do it over and over and over, and it won't be hard for you later down the road. It takes a couple years to get to the point where you don't have to think about what you're doing. It'll just be second nature to you. But first you have to build up that consistency to where it becomes like that. The third biggest thing here at the Kentucky Welding Institute is being able to take advice from instructors. Our instructors here at the Kentucky Welding Institute are constantly going in and out of jobs and coming back and teaching at the school, bringing their knowledge with them. So whenever they tell you something and show you something and say, this is what really works and this is how it should be, it's best to just take that advice, run with it, and learn from it. And don't try to, go against what they're saying, because whatever they're saying, there's a meaning behind it. And usually whatever they're saying, they've messed something up on a job and they've learned from it, and so they bring that back to the school. So if someone shares something with you about how to fix a weld or how to make a certain weld, take that advice and run with it and consistently do it over and over again, and that'll help you along the road in welding school and then down the road when you're traveling across the country. So those are my top 3 things that welders need to be able to have, and if you don't have those, that could really be detrimental to your welding career and also being here at the Kentucky Welding Institute. So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that, and also check out our website. We have links, and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.